Okay, they're moving. Okay, careful with that stuff. Like the Tiberium Sun game. Okay, everything looks cool. Going left. Careful. Careful. More left. These dudes, they are professional. Actually, I'm dreaming about such house. This, yes, this may be about the cozy house song that I will make one day soon. I'm still translating the text from barbarian languages. Okay, they are almost done. Someone will have to turn the hut. There should be a human force involved. Maybe they will. Is this a door from the other side? No? Yes, they will turn it. Look at the kid. Hey kid, why do you let the kid there? It's dangerous. Safety first. Look at that kid. Well, at least maybe it's helping, right? And this house is almost done. It's not the kid actually. It's the mother. Right. Well, from this distance and I'm without my glasses. Okay. Now this is the fine processing. And yep, with a little human force, it should work. Like in our lands, there are a few people working and a lot of people watching. Well, this is life in most cases. Okay, that house almost touched the ground. This is like a landing house on the planet Earth. Yeah. And the weather is very lovely. And I have to wash my windows. But I set on spring. Right. Okay, I think the house touched the ground. Mission, commission, signing out, signing off. This is like, what was that game? It was a space simulator. I'm beginning to forget. Freelancer, yes. So, mission commission, signing off. And Obi-Wan out. Right? Right. Okay.